Mama akwaba wafre me Addo searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell also for more news.
People he claimed they are not good, and you follow A plus. When this boy was stealing Ghana's money, yes, I'll call it stealing. Because minimum certificate to be a wa. Now, say, and penny four man, the crime man left oil, and money benyesta, manager say, or your nippati on one papa, didn't be yes. Seriously. Because we're born no mama. Because we did campaign, nimu, ako perform with stage. So now, they are shame before say. One more artists for now, who rally as an Obiagiska. When they finish, they pay them. Me say, say a musician be a NDC or NPP. No can tell me say, or come mountain stage, you know, one ya day, and yes, can of coaching. Boy, South Anthony boy, ya no so, he's a not naive. Chase London boy, man, hit after I hit no, to me, I hit you. They be out on them one and them, but in fact, a friend is saying, Nero X. And you're only Afeku, Catherine Afeku, and I campaign 2016. I campaign 2020. And also about Mama Mahama. Only the young one said, man. Na Kim Paluta there, or never will make a picture. Hey, we'll be parking in Munche. That is the type of people they are. That is the type of people they are. You set up an entertainment platform hosted by the beautiful Nanama McBrown. We're beginning to see talents and some young crop way because they been in live band but near the idea ye hunin in kakra ye discussing entertainment issues. Yeah, who yeah. Hey, a good for you be kunu, a good for you be saying na kwasi bull hen or bull pig no or not to go court case. And I'm pushing Nanama McBrown into more court cases to the point that she couldn't take him no more. So she said, no, enough is enough. Said Juma say na mo pesa mo me dia United Showbiz na me ndam baby you. Oh nana ma yare obeba, nana ma yare obeba, nana ma yare obeba. Enso na yare bi no yare. She was fed up of the bullshit you were trying to do with Kwame A Plus and the rest. How do you give me a panel that has Kwame A Plus? Has Mr. Logic, has Bulldog, has Miss G, has Ola, has Abeku Santana. These are real political activists. Akwesia Buaje for NDC. You go and put them there. And sadly, the MP that don't the MPP ni beba no the Diana Samoaba. Now Oma Kambrofune Gunuswa, but Sister Diana so yeah there the beer of fighting on. You sit there, set up a program just to destroy people. Now you see what it is. Now, Moma Yasha debut. Minim say men kwana mi hu sa de na. But in Kamia I say, Omwa sebio. Omu dim penifo atem tie. Womu chan throw the same crofo no. Okom hasma no mwedwa. I don't know, samusuma hu sa maybe. I don't know if you guys have also noticed that. But Obibia sa de na magene hu sa. It's like Obi bia or pen crofo hu nsem keken bia no. Oka no hu nsem a na ye ne ya. Have you guys noticed? Obi bia odi konkonsa ekeka nkrofo tibom bia no o ka no asem keto bi pepepe na atwini na ye ne ya se bon sami demfi why na sami demfi ndidi na tem Ghana why bonipa ba kwa sami demfi ndidi na tem Ghana where did almost everybody attempt facts but ono no de okoka no asem keto bi no aba no aba na ni and I tell you this, I tell you that, no, I am not saying. Kofi Dro, yeah, said Jimmy for past the year away. Or come say, Krama, wire break, Jimmy for no. Also, sa, can't quite the Samus, I can want someone with ya. It's like that. You see, they are bullies, and usually bullies can't stand bully. Who tell the American? Only your bullies, and bullies cannot usually stand their type. Marking the baby. Bullies can never stand their type because no bullying crofon to bullying ya. And if you first nigga can walk come ye plus or semi wage. We have to come ye plus. And yeah, he said with Valentine, the love and the bond. Of course, you have just say so many things. Now we are a few first nigga and who you know no. Kwame utie. And pennyful, I would do you know kwamo dinner gisken in our winning na. Yan Mubini, so who says, I won't question your case. They say, yes, so cause or ban what in the baby. Now, Sao Bano sono, and I'm Jimmy Kakra won the Muntino, or sorry, I know about no whole political, and this is a thing you never frat. Mutier, of course, you have 1 year, you do my own D one in who could not call you who's going to call J. Kakrana had the mouth, Sikakesi and Ankas one on a set mouth, and then what Braboya. Once I call a Cassiano. And one in the way and Canadian social media do. About way now, you show no, come here plus by way our more commons and the way social media, dear Keke. The Awako did you Munkrasin Krasi? Ajiji, you had dress a store, I'm a man, my young. Would ye? 1 year already did one crying, Kumasenia, the 1 door so Keke. Neja mani baby, no, the baby on who did no to one best or best, and now back where PA, maybe I'm a memoir 2 months going. When you live in a glass house, you don't throw stone. Baby, and I would do home, Kwame, would do home to Chibuano. Now you catch now, say Kwame Jayo, Jaina baby, and no one would be a fierce as nigga de yo. And I may catch a gun of phone now, and yes, I call on a pet. Wa wo rough for Sabe, she said, Woodham. Yabisana has the guts to talk about morality, and Ghanaians support such a fool. For what? Let's get serious. Let's get serious. What change has Kwame A Plus been able to effect? What impact has he had? He's not a John Dramani Mahama. He's not an Addo. He's not in Nkrumah. He's none of them. What has he been able to do? What impact has he brought into the space he finds himself? Either than enriching himself with the consensus he gets from politicians. But on the young man free range. Now, them, and then the same security people you are begging them to protect you, where there's the same security people you were insulting a week ago. Munkwasi aduane ne munkwasi sika mubedi ntino nipa ni bebre adwene nya adwuma. Na nka mene wo ananka mabisa se Kwame Yesare wo kura de anka guru no mukura bo so chen e ba ne sen. Kwenya Ibrahim Mahama mama ne cars. Nye nyankrofo tu kwaje mpanifo ni bika no de aba event ya se no de be twa ne ho na etale Kwame wo live o. That is all. But all hype on the sano at the end of Uganda and near Quada and Winyawum. One more TikTok, one tap screen so near uncle. At the end of Uganda and Yawu. A Kufadu nyo, a Kufadu aside Ghana, and now make us say, Krasin ye, who call Ukroma, Krasin Quadano, a big costu. Now, besides, says Ghana and then yet to me, I free education and Quadane Kono. Now, why bought home Nanka says Canabeko, a Beko A plus bottom. Because of the Noha politicians, it will be could dim conconsa or be could dim tro. Mumbisano, what was the solution for S. Gracia? Nothing. I will complain about it, but I have nothing to show for. The same person fighting S. Gracia is now fighting to go be at a place where Kwame Yesare A Plus would also get what? S. Gracia. You are there following this nonsense. Onipa no say embrace bedwafo no omudi esika embrace bedwafo ni ese embrace bedwafo ni ese no and then ono so opeso okoye embrace bedwani o pe ba bi de no hwa eden ase Now Ghana ni anya hwekura no sebio wo de on pay free education but TVET technical vocational education